Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. If A and B together would do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days, then B alone can do it. So we need to find how much time will B take to do the work. So to begin with the solution, we know that A plus B is work. So A plus B take 10 days to do the work. So we can say that A plus B is 1 day work. So let us derive the 1 day work of A plus B, which will be 1 upon 10. Similarly, we know the C is 1 day work. C is 1 day work because we know that C takes 50 days to complete the work. So C is 1 day work will be 1 upon 50. So now we have derived A, B and C's 1 day work. So we can say that A plus B plus C 1 day work will be equal to the addition of these two. So this will be 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 50. So this comes to 6 upon 50, which is equal to 3 upon 25. Let us consider this as equation 1. So now, as 1 day work, it has been given that A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. So here we can say that A's 1 day work is equal to B plus C's 1 day work. 1 day work. Let us consider this as 2. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that 2 into A's 1 day work is equal to 3 by 50. 3 by 50 because we have derived this from equation 1 and 2. So now here we can say that A's 1 day work will be equal to 3 upon 50. So now we need to find B's 1 day work. Therefore B's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 is A plus B's 1 day work and 3 by 50 is A's 1 day work. So remaining will be B's 1 day work, which will be 2 upon 50, which is equal to 1 upon 25. So we have derived that B's 1 day work is 1 upon 25. So here we can come to the conclusion that so B alone could do the work, in 25 days because B's 1 day work is 1 upon 25. So reciprocal of it will be 25 days. So 25 days is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.